In today's video, I will walk you through how to create and edit tables in AutoCAD. To begin, go to the command line, type Table, and press Enter. The Insert Table dialog box will appear. Here, you can choose to create an empty table or import data using a data link. For this tutorial, select the option to create an empty table. Next, choose the insertion behavior. You can either specify an insertion point or use a window. Then, set the number of columns and rows for your table. Adjust these values according to the information you want to add. Once you've set the number of columns and rows, click OK. Now, depending on the insertion option you selected, place the table by clicking an insertion point or defining the required window in your drawing. The table will now be inserted into your AutoCAD drawing. You can then enter your information directly into the table. And that's how to use the table command in AutoCAD. Don't forget to click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.